In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently record and manage payments using your invoice system. Let's dive right in and make sure you have all the information you need to seamlessly update your records. First, you'll need to open an invoice. This is where everything begins, so ensuring you have access to your invoice system is crucial. If you're using a software or platform that offers this functionality, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the section where your invoices are stored. You should see a list or a dashboard view of those invoices. Choose the relevant invoice you intend to work on. By opening this invoice, you set the stage for the next step, receiving a payment. With the invoice open, locate the option that allows you to receive a payment. This is typically a button or link that says Receive Payment. Clicking on this initiates the process of recording the transaction you finalize with your client or customer. This step is crucial as it ensures that the payment is recorded against the right invoice, facilitating accurate bookkeeping and reducing errors in your financial records. Now comes the detail-oriented part, entering the payment details. This is where you input all the necessary information regarding the payment you received. Make sure to capture every detail such as the amount paid, the method of payment, whether it's via credit card, wire transfer, check, or any other mode, and any reference numbers or transaction IDs. Accuracy here is key. This data will help you track your income accurately and reconcile your bank statements later. Remember to double check these entries to avoid any discrepancies. Once you've entered all the required information, take a moment to review everything. Finally, once you're confident that all details are accurate and complete, it's time to save your work. This might seem like a small action, but saving your updates ensures that all your efforts in putting in payment information aren't lost. It also ensures that your records are current, laying the groundwork for up-to-date financial reporting across your platforms. If your software provides a confirmation of the save, look for a notification or message that assures you everything has been properly recorded. Now that all steps are completed, you've successfully updated your invoice by acknowledging a payment. This process is critical to maintaining an organized financial system and can greatly impact your ability to manage your business finances more effectively. Keep practicing this flow, and very soon you'll find this task becoming a simple routine as part of your business operations. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guidance has been both helpful and informative.